It's Thursday, which means it's spelling test day, so you should have a piece of paper, and on your piece of paper, I would like you to move, or number your paper 1 to 15. So put your name on the top like mine and move your paper, or number your paper 1 to 15. Once you do that, then you can push play and listen to the rest of your words. So hit pause, number your paper 1 to 15, and then click play, and I will give you your words. Okay, hopefully you have a piece of paper and you're ready to not only spell your words correctly, but mark them correctly. Okay, number 1 is nonfiction. I like to read nonfiction books. Nonfiction. Number 2 is enthrust. They had to enthrust the bone into place. Enthrust. Number 3 is unlikely. It is unlikely that you won't get a good score if you try. Unlikely. Number 5 is nonsense. I will give you a nonsense word in a minute for bonus points. Nonsense. Number 6 is enjoy. I enjoy teaching you spelling. Enjoy. Number 7, unsuccessful. Unsuccessful. I don't think there'll be anything that you are unsuccessful on if you try. Unsuccessful. Unsettle. Unsettle. Sometimes I feel a little unsettled. Unsettle. Nonstop. Sometimes I feel like I am nonstop all day. Nonstop. Unable. I am unable to give you a good grade unless you earn it. Unable. Unusual. It is very unusual for everyone to get 100% the same day. Unusual. Ensure. I will ensure that you learn a lot of phonics rules. Ensure. Non-issue. It's a non-issue if I have good students. Non-issue. Non-verbal. Sometimes when my students don't answer questions, I wonder if they are non-verbal. Non-verbal. Enclose. We had to enclose our dogs in a run. Enclose. And your last word is unrest. There was a lot of unrest during recess. Unrest. Okay, so make sure they're spelled right, but also go back through, make sure you have your syllables in the right place, make sure you have your vowels marked, make sure you have your guardians and any other dictation marks that you need. And then hit pause, and when you're done, double checking everything, making sure everything has what it needs. Push play again and listen for your sentences and also your bonuses. Okay, your first sentence that you'll get points for is, I am unable to give you too many treats. So you're going to write that sentence. I am unable to give you too many treats. Listen closely. I am unable to give you too many treats. Okay, hit pause, and once you're ready, you can push play again. Okay, your second sentence is, I enjoy being your teacher. I enjoy being your teacher. Listen closely. I enjoy being your teacher. Okay, now for your bonuses. Your nonsense word for bonus is dewish. Dewish. Make sure you have all the correct markings on that word and it's spelled correctly. Dewish. And your other bonus is to write today's date correctly with a capital and comma where it goes. So write today's date correctly with a capital and comma where it goes. Okay, double check everything on that and then go get the checklist from Miss Hackney and double check everything on that checklist, and then you can go on to your next activity.